आराधना करती हूँ। बाल कटा लिया? कौन काटा? छतरी मम्मी ने काटी क्या?
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक ठीक। एक निराली छोटी सी सोच हमारे फाउंडर मेंबर्स आशा जी, पुष्पा जी, सरिता जी और सुमित्रा जी की। एक निराली छोटी सी सोच हमारे फाउंडर मेंबर्स की, आशा जी, पुष्पा जी, सरिता जी और सुमित्रा जी की, जिसमें कल्पनाओं के कई रंग भरे।
अच्छा,
और वह छोटी सी सोच उड़ानों की ऊंची ऊंची मंजिलों तक पहुंच गई। बन गई हर रचिका वुमन अ सुपर वुमन। Thanks to this team of our founder members for giving us this space to fly and excel. A big round of applause for all of them. रूबरू हैं आज हम आप सबसे, जूम पर ही सही, पर इस मुस्कान और इस सुरक्षा के लिए जो जिम्मेदार हैं, let us give a tribute to all those corona warriors. वक्त आ गया है कि उन्हें दे वो हम सम्मान जिसके वही हैं सही हकदार। जब हम खड़े थे एक किनारे बेबस लाचार कोरोना के हारे, क्या नहीं थे वही मसीहा हमारे, जिनकी नजर भर देखकर हम कभी सराहा नहीं करते थे, जिनको नजर भर देखकर हम कभी सराहा नहीं करते थे, आज उन्हीं के सहारे खड़े थे हम सभी। तो क्या दिया जलाना या घंटी बजाना ही है काफी, या अंतःकरण से मांगनी है उनसे माफी? Sorry for interruption. Nurses, doctors, police and cleaners, domestic helps and many more. जो वजूद है ना इनका हमारी जिंदगी में, एहसास ये है बनाए हरदम रखना। रोशन हुए हैं जो चिरागा दिलों में हमारे, सदियों तक उन्हें तुम जलाए ही रखना। हमारी आला जिंदगी के ताले की, जी हाँ यही है चाबी चमत्कारी। करना है आज वादा खुद से, नहीं शर्मिंदा होना है हमें खुद से। करें प्रण ये छोड़कर हम अपना अभिमान, तन मन धन से करें हम इनका उपकार। हाँ हाँ, वक्त आ गया है वक्त कि दे इन्हें वो सम्मान जिनके हैं वही असली हकदार। Over to our erring president Chanda Jivaraj का।
डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज फाउंडर डे के इस मीटिंग में मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ। 3 दिन का यह आयोजन आप सबके लिए अनोखा रहेगा। आज की हमारी गेस्ट हैं बिंदल शाह, जिनके हम हमारे अपने महाराष्ट्र की पारंपरिक वारली लेटरिंग सीखेंगे, जिनका परिचय वो आपको स्वयं बताएंगी। ओवर टू बिंदल।
Good afternoon and namaste to everyone at Ruchika. It is a pleasure to be hosting this workshop for you today. This is just a little bit of information about us. My sister Maya and I, this company years. We have an art studio and gallery at Gamdevi at Hughes Road, and we have a host of artwork from more than 90 artists. We promote upcoming and established artists as well. So as you can see, we have a beautiful selection of art, photography, sculpture, murals for you to select from. This is our studio. And in the lockdown period, we have been hosting beautiful workshops for ladies like you in various mediums like coffee painting, watercolors, charcoal sketching, batik, texture, dot mandalas. So kindly connect with me if there is any requirement or if anyone is interested in doing any more workshops. And thank you so much. I would just like to take this opportunity to thank Asha ji, all the committee members at Ruchika, and Preeti Singhania, who is my school friend, who approached us to do this workshop in the first place. तो आज जो हम कर रहे हैं उसको वारली कहते हैं, और वारली it's a very old ancient art form जो कई हजारों सालों से चलता आ रहा है. It is practiced in the northern Maharashtra के tribal villages, जहाँ पर they paint on their mud huts. तो यहाँ पे कुछ images हैं. In the new and current days, Varli of course is being used everywhere in interior design, decor, on fabric, on home decor pieces, and all the inspiration comes from their life. The Varlis are very, very simple people, और आज के आर्ट में भी हम वही देखेंगे कि इतना simple और basic line drawing से भी इतना beautiful artwork बनाया जा सकता है. ये कुछ फॉर्म्स हैं जो हमने शेयर किए हैं, और आज हम वारली लेटरिंग बना रहे हैं, द इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट, which is using all the motifs of Varli. And we are going to be creating a happy birthday card, as you know. We are also doing a border around it. Now, the happy birthday card is a card of love, a message of love, and, a gift that you give to your near and dear ones. This is a little moment we have made as a commemorative thing for your foundation. This is using only Varli patterns. Yes, I hope you also enjoy it as much as we have putting it together for you all. Thank you so much.
अच्छे से करना नीटली.
तो आशा जी, सॉरी आप देख रहे हो मुझे.
Yes, Bindal. Actually,
Anyway, if
paper
we are
size हमने
good, we can
A4
start with
बताया
the
था.
workshop.
Yeah,
हाँ जी.
please start with the workshop.
Yeah. तो basically हम एक A4 size का paper इस तरह से ले रहे हैं. We are folding it in half like this. तो अपना जो artwork का size है, in the end it becomes an A5, which is exactly the half of A4, and we are keeping it in this horizontal orientation इस तरह से. So we had shared, Asha ji must have shared with you the basic, so it doesn't have to be very precise. It can be a little here or there, as long as आपका happy और birthday दोनों इस तरह से fit हो रहा है. तो ये एक guideline है, और ये मेरा final artwork है. इसको आप बहुत ज़्यादा dark नहीं करिए. It can be little light. तो अगर आपने dark drawing किया है, you can either go and erase it gently with a eraser. इसको थोड़ा हल्का कर दीजिए ताकि हमारा जो भी drawing इसके ऊपर आए उसके through अपना pencil lines दिखे नहीं. Also we need a gel pen like this. So I think that of course has been provided for all.
Yeah,
of you.
provided by the club.
Right. So we'll start right away with the alphabets. And if you could just see what I'm doing and follow accordingly, then we will have a good idea of.
Jiddal, can you give some time so that लोग happy birthday लिख लें, borders बाद में लिख लेंगे?
Yes, absolutely. You please guide us, Asha ji, as to the speed and pace of the work.
So everyone, please, आप आपके paper पे happy birthday लिख लें.
Which number pen to take? 0.5 or 0.8?
0.8 will be fine.
बिंदल, आपने अभी बोला कि A4 साइज के पेपर को आप हाफ कर लीजिए, उसके बाद यू मेक दिस आर्ट वर्क, दिस ये बनाइए. पर लेकिन पहले ये दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन वाज नॉट गिवन, सो हम लोगों ने सबने वो A4 साइज पे ही बनाया है. सो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. तो आपने जो 3 इंच का जो हैप्पी बर्थडे लिखा है, कई लोगों ने 5 इंच का बनाया है, कई ने 4 का बनाया है, कई ने 3 का बनाया है.
That is 3 centimeters, not 3
3 centimeter. Sorry, centimeter. Yes.
No, there is 8
centimeter.
centimeter left in the center.
No problem, Shashi ji. That is also not wrong.
Okay.
अगर आपने थोड़ा बड़ा भी बना दिया है या पूरा A5 साइज पे भी अगर आर्टवर्क किया है,
3 सेंटीमीटर का 4A साइज पेपर में बन गया, अच्छा बना है.
हाँ जी, तो that's fine.
हमने बनाया.
हमने भी बना लिया.
Girls, let's not go into the size. We are learning the way to do it. फिर हम कार्ड तो बाद में बनाएंगे, तब आप देख लेना. अभी तो let's learn how to do it.
Please, let Vindal proceed.
Yeah, so we are just going to focus. आपका size बड़ा है, छोटा है, medium है, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. अगर आपने बड़ा भी बना दिया, तो you can use it as a banner. अगर किसी का बर्थडे है, आप उसको पूरा एक बैनर बना के दे सकते हो. अगर छोटा बना है तो आप कार्ड की तरह दे सकते हो. और ये एक सीखने का, as Sarita ji said, we are just learning it today. You can implement it in many ways, and I'll show you some artworks as to how you can use these letterings later. So we'll, without wasting any time,
yes.
First, if you have a rough piece of paper, just please do a very simple basic exercise with me for a minute. What we are going to do is just create some dots first. इस तरह से just a line of dots. This is just to get the hang of the size, the scale, and also an understanding of the basic shapes that are required to make Varli designs. उसके बाद we will do a basic upside down triangle like this.
How much should be the difference between the 2 dots?
In between the dots, 2 dots we do triangles?
नहीं, उसके नीचे की लाइन में. और ये सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस है. आपको जिस तरह से भी करना है, जहां भी करना है, लाइन में करिए, कर्व में करिए. The idea is to get your hand in the motion. So don't be worried. ये अपना rough paper है. This is not a final paper. Any small piece of paper you can do this. So आप 3 upside down triangles बनाने के बाद, You will do 3 straight, you know, on their bottom wale triangles, is tarah se. तो ये it doesn't matter आपने 3 के बदले 4 किए, 2 किए, it's perfectly fine. फिर हम ये एक basic जो cross रहता है, you can
कौन
make,
सा पेन?
yeah, 1 second.
कोई भी पेन लीजिए प्रैक्टिस के लिए.
आप कोई भी पेन ले सकते हो, अगर आपके
हाँ
पास
सुप्रिया बोलो.
है तो भी ले सकते हो इसके लिए. ये अपना final artwork नहीं है. So this is just a few crosses that you need to make like this in a row. उसके बाद we will make some curved lines like this. It's a quarter circle. इस तरह से.
Yes.
और उसके बाद उसी का opposite direction में we will be doing the same curved lines but going in this direction.
हेलो बिंदल, आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए. या शी इज अनम्यूटेड.
या इस तरह से सर्कल्स बना के आप इनको कलर कर दीजिए. Now I just want to show 2 figures over here. Just please पहले एक बार देख लीजिए. We will do, this is a face which is common for a man and a woman. उसके बाद a neck, an upside down triangle like this, which forms the upper body, or another triangle which forms the lower body. इस तरह से. So if you all want to do it to this point, the hands can be guided whichever way, whatever action you want to show, but usually एक generic figure में इस तरह से हाथ होते हैं, elbow से bend करके, और छोटे से ऐसे dots बना के हम इनको fist का या हाथ का suggestion दे सकते हैं. उसके बाद the same thing is done for the legs. You can again do various variations of the legs depending on what the person is doing in your picture. अगर वो दौड़ रहा है तो आप अलग से दिखाएंगे. अगर वो सिर्फ एक जगह पे खड़ा हुआ है तो अलग आएगा. So everything depends on the action your figure is going to be doing. अब वाली में the easy thing is कि इसमें male female में और कोई फर्क नहीं है. वही the same head, the neck, the upper body, the lower body remains the same. The legs also remain the same. Here we will do a different action with the hands where the hands are pointing downwards. I hope ये visible है सबको.
Yes, Bindal, very much so. But what is the difference between male and female now?
I'll tell you. So it's a very simple difference, which is the bun. The moment you put a bun on the lady's head, so this is exactly how a Wali figure is drawn. So it's not complicated, but like I said, आप इसको किस तरह से use करते हो, that is the most important thing. Like, how do we put all of this together to make it a beautiful artwork? ये सारे आपको basic shapes will come handy when you are trying to make the lettering or do any other Wali design. So I'll just wait for a minute or so for everyone to finish this.
Yes, everyone has got it.
Should we go ahead?
Hanji, so there was some question about writing the happy birthday in pencil. So yeah, everything that we have done on our final card, and which I'm very, very excited about now, ये सारा सब कुछ pencil में किया है, including the borders. the happy and the birthday. So इसमें वारली, like I said, बहुत ही basic आदिवासी लोग होते हैं. I think there's a question about the shoes. Shoes नहीं है. These are just their feet.
Okay.
And Varli has been so beautifully adapted. अगर आप देखेंगे, even in our city, कई बार आप अगर जा रहे हैं बालकेश्वर पे, especially एक बहुत ही लंबा mural बनाया गया है Varli place. I'm sure जब आप जाएंगे तो you have a very lovely appreciation for that. So we'll start when everyone is ready. Actually, आप मुझे go ahead देंगे तो हम शुरू करेंगे. So
Bindal, your voice is breaking. Can you go near the microphone, please?
Yeah, 1 second. Sorry. Can you hear me better now?
No.
No, still the
It's
voice.
breaking. Yeah.
Okay, is this better?
No, we can't hear.
Can you hear me now?
No, no.
One minute, please. Namo.
Yeah, Bindal, it's better now.
Hi. Bindal, we can't hear anything. बिंदल, हेलो बिंदल, आप एग्जिट करके वापस से रीजॉइन कीजिए, यू माइट गेट द इंटरनेट ऑडियो।
हेलो हेलो हेलो।
Yeah, Bindal, we can hear you.
Okay, super.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry for that. I don't know क्या हो गया.
No,
Just
we can hear you.
Okay, perfect. So sorry, we'll start with the H right away. और यहाँ पे हमने एक lady figure draw किया है. So the same way that we did in our practice work. But here we are going to make the man and the woman face each other. तो दोनों के जो पैर हैं, they will be facing inwards. So we have made the two figures of the H, and then we will just make their hands reach out and touch. So that becomes your H. This is our letter H.
Bindal, just go slow a bit.
Yeah, sure. So basically, हमने जो किया है, what we had done earlier with our figure here, we have just repeated that, but here we have put their hands inside. Together to make that जो H का बीच वाला डंडी. And again हमने male or female face figures बनाए. You can make it whichever way. So you can make a woman, doing, holding another woman's hand, or that's also possible. Then we'll go, if everyone is ready, we can go to the next letter.
Yeah, we can start with A.
So the A,
so I believe
Hanji.
H was very simple.
Hanji.
Members, are you okay with H? Yeah.
Okay.
Which pen to use, Bindal?
The 8 is fine.
8,
0.8.
okay. Yeah.
Especially अगर आपका बड़े size का paper है, the A4 size, then definitely 0.8. So the A we are going to convert into a heart, जैसे अक्सर tribal areas में होते हैं. So here we are doing 2 bamboo poles, which will form our letter A. And they can cross slightly at the top like this. And we'll just do some horizontal stripes inside to give it the look of a bamboo. अगर आप इसको थोड़ा emphasize करना चाहते हैं, तो you can do a darker outline on it, like this. And don't worry, थोड़ा सा अगर line के ऊपर नीचे चला गया, तो that's fine, because if you have seen the Wali paintings, they are not 100% precise. तो जैसे एक हट रहता है, उसका एक रूफ जो बनाना है हमको, वो इस तरह से बनाएंगे, where there is a line which is dividing it. So you can see now it starts looking like the letter A. But to differentiate between this area and this, we will just do some U shapes like this to give it a roof-like pattern. इस तरह से. I'll just show it on the rough paper again. So what we have done in the A, the roof, and you can repeat this Anytime you are drawing a Varli hut, you can do this. So we just do continuous U-shaped patterns like this, and then we just go over it and make more of the same. Like I said, कोई precision का ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can make it बड़ा छोटा. You can even fill up some areas like this.
And the lower area has to be empty, right, Pindal?
The video stopped.
So we
Pindal, your video
move to
stopped.
the next letter if everyone is ready.
Your video has stopped.
Sorry?
Your video is not going ahead.
Yeah, it's moving now.
Okay. So we go to the next letter. और यहाँ पे जो हम, you know, what we see in the villages usually is a well like this. तो हम P को थोड़ा सा distort कर रहे हैं जो P का shape है, and we are converting it into a well like this. और इसको हम थोड़ा सा bottom में एक darker outline दे रहे हैं. This is what we are doing. So although it looks like a U right now, we will be converting it into a P. So इस तरह से we make the mouth of the well. And a darker line to indicate the depth of it. And then like we do a brick pattern, just make more curved lines like this. Very, very simple. You know, this is all basic, you know, हम जब छोटे थे तो we used to do these kind of stick figure drawings, you know. So it's very similar to that.
Looks like a well.
Yeah. Yes. So I'll just do it quickly over here again. इस तरह से you just draw a U shape like this. Give it a curve at the top. Like a can. इस तरह से. And you can color this so that it looks like it's dark and, you know, there's a depth in it. Then you just follow the same lines again. And इस तरह से we do lines to suggest bricks. तो ये एक पूरा brick wall, brick का well बन गया. Now to convert it into a P, we just show a rassi like this. थोड़ा सा thick rassi. And at the bottom, we can show a bucket. Remember, जब वार्ली करते हैं, तो we never go too far from the what is literally nature or what is there in their
rural
villages. हाँ, rural जो होता है और उनके आदिवासी गांव में जो होता है. Of course, हम adapt कर सकते हैं and we can do lots of different things. There are a lot of things जब आप वार्ली के basic shapes देखेंगे and काफी सारा आपको इंटरनेट पे भी मिल सकता है. You can use those as an inspiration to make various different things out of that. So if everyone is ready, we'll go to the next letter.
Yeah, next P.
Yeah. So it's not always necessary to create an object out of the drawing. We can also just use simple borders and simple basic shapes like this. अगर आप देखें तो मैंने एक rectangle बनाया है जो P का डंडी बन गया. And then what I'm going to do is just make a crisscross pattern in it and color in some parts of it. So this by itself has become a very pretty Varli border. We are using a miniature version of it. So it's simple. It's just 2 straight lines like this.
Bindal, put your camera a little properly because it is very hazy. The print is not looking clear.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
You're
Is
out
it
of
better?
focus. Yeah. Now it's better.
Yes, better now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure. So what I've done, I'll just show an enlarged version of that border again for the P. So I've just done these crosses inside it, जो हमने cross practice किए थे. And we are making like a diamond border and then filling up certain areas like this. जो side वाले triangles बन गए, उसको थोड़े से हम color कर देते हैं. Varli का एक और चीज है that usually, even if you are using it on a colored background, we don't take too many multiple colors. अगर आप traditionally it is done on a brownish kind of color. मिट्टी के उनके घर होते हैं.
या गेरू से बनता है.
हाँ, गेरू से. और एक white pigment जो बनाते हैं वो लोग, उसी से they paint with that. So that is the traditional Varli, but of course हम अलग तरीके से use कर सकते हैं जैसे चाहें. But Varli अगर Varli के जैसे दिखाना है, तो we don't use multiple colors in Varli. We use one background color and we use any one color on top of it. So that's the line for P. And now we can do a semicircle like this. Remember, to do a Varli lettering is a little challenging because हमको letter का character भी नहीं खोना है. We want it to look like the letter we are trying to create. It cannot look too different. नहीं तो फिर वो message में, you know, it won't be, I mean, the person won't be able to read it. So it's important कि हम lettering का जो भी जैसे यहाँ this could become a fan. अगर हम इसको fan का shape देना चाहें तो we can just do that. You know, जो हाथ का पंखा रहता है.
Little bit of
Here we have gone and made a lovely, it looks like a P. And it's still, you know, an object that you would see in a rural kind of place.
Yeah.
So then we'll go to the next letter, which is our Y. Remember, when you're doing a female figure, which I'm going to do next, we leave a little room on the top for the bun, ताकि वो अच्छे से fit हो जाए. अब ये हमारा letter Y है. Here I'm going to show a woman. और वार्ली में फिगर्स को काफी you know मरोड़ा जाता है, उनको काफी डिस्टॉर्ट भी किया जाता है to make it suit the aesthetic of the final artwork. तो यहाँ पे I want to show a woman. तो मैंने उसको यहाँ पे बना दिया ऐसे, and I'm going to put her arm like this. One hand is come on her hips like this. The other arm is holding a basket like this. I'll show you all again. This basket. Basket बनाने के लिए we just do a like a chatai kind of pattern on it. तो ये हमारा happy बन गया.
Oh.
And when you're using figures, so try to remember कि कहीं पे figures हो, कहीं पे कोई object हो. अगर हर चीज figure में भी बना सकते हैं ऐसा नहीं है, but it always looks nicer to make it look a little more interesting by adding objects. Again, adding, yeah, there are more shapes, and it, you know, even for the viewer, उसको भी देखने को कुछ interesting लगेगा. मतलब there is some story that's going around in the entire artwork. I can hold it up a little closer also.
Yeah.
So I will be sharing this later with Asha ji, so she can share the final artwork. ताकि अगर किसी का कुछ रह गया हो या you want to improvise, you can do it later also. So the next figure is going to be a little bit complicated because इसमें काफी सारे elements हैं. So just please watch me. We are doing the B for birthday. I hope everyone is able to get this and
Yeah, happy everyone is sorted now.
Okay, good. So the birthday ka jo B hai, again it's going to be a figure with an object. So here I'm trying to show like I was saying, अगर आपको वार्ली को थोड़ा सा एक twist देना है, अगर आपको उसको थोड़ा modernize करना है, तो you can do that.
बिंदल एक बार आप Y फिर से दिखा दीजिए ना ऊपर करके, या members want to see.
Sure.
Close up of basket.
हाँ जी.
Yeah. Thank you, Bindal.
No worries. So, जैसे यहाँ मैंने किया है, I have made the woman a little bending back, ताकि मेरा बाय ठीक से बन जाए. Here, of course, I don't need to do that. I'm just going to draw a simple figure like this. This is my, I'm trying to show a cook over here. So like I was saying कि अगर हमको वार्ली को modernize करना है, so we can do that by just adding some quirky things like this. जैसे यहाँ मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा chef का टोपी पहना दिया है. So this is possible. अगर आप जो बालकेश्वर वाले murals especially हैं, वहाँ पे BEST bus का भी drawing है, all the monuments of Mumbai, all of that, cars you can see. So of course वो tribal नहीं है, but it's an adaptation.
Okay.
So यहाँ पे I'm just going to add 2 arms like this. And the bottom half of this, I'm going to convert it into a pot. As if this person is cooking and उसके अंदर वो झांक के देख रहा है. तो ऐसा, again, shape के लिए, I mean, you don't have to worry about it. It can be a little here or there. ये इसका, the neck for the pot has been made. You can do some patterns on it because जो object थोड़ा सा बड़ा रहता है, उसपे हम, कोई भी सुंदर सा design we can add to that.
Yeah, some fillers are required to make it more beautiful.
Yes, in certain areas, because वो lettering भी रहना चाहिए, we don't want that to get lost.
Yeah, the essence of the lettering should also be there.
Should also remain. अब मैं ऊपर का B कैसे दिखाऊंगी? Just watch. I'm going to make some smoke. And the largest one, I'm going to, because that's where my shape comes in. तो ये अब आप देखेंगे, it looks like a B.
Yeah.
Right? So, no, the cap does not have to fit the letter. अगर थोड़ा ऊपर भी चला गया तो भी कोई बात नहीं है. Now, just to make it, a suggestion of smoke, I've just added 2 extra lines over here. So I'll hold it up a little closer. Can you all see this? Asha ji, somebody is unmuted. I don't know.
Let me check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the next one again is going to be a figure, because kuch letters though, they demand that you make a figurative work only. So my next
letter, I is one such.
I is one such thing. इसमें आपको बहुत दिमाग नहीं लगाना है, सीधा सीधा एक फिगर बना दीजिए, वो अपने आप ही I बन जाएगा. हमारे वार्ली वाले थोड़े से अच्छे खाते पीते घर के हैं तो they have little tangri and all. बाकी जो ओरिजिनल आर्ट वर्क रहता है उसमें काफी they're just like sticks. So here again you have the choice. आपको ये तो human figure बन गया, that looks like an eye. If you want to add a small matka or a basket on top, you can do that. या उसका भी आपको अगर बन बनाना है तो बना सकते हैं इसके ऊपर. So this is as simple as this. जहाँ आपको simple letters हैं, वहाँ पे you don't need to think too much. Now, one other very interesting thing about the people, the Warli people, is that they are very connected to music, and they use a lot of natural material. जैसे एक किस्म का कद्दू रहता है, like a लौकी, which is really large, and they dry it और उसको hollow बना के they make a
ड्रम टाइप का बनाते हैं.
हाँ, नहीं, उसका bugle जैसा बनता है.
अच्छा, वो ब्यूगल वाला, या
हाँ, ब्यूगल वाला. अब इसमें भी मैं फिगर कर रही हूँ, although I had said not to use too many figures, but sometimes where you want to do a little bit of the you know, the straight lines, you can use a figure. And of course Warli is very recognized because of these figures. If you have seen एक बहुत ही सुंदर, and I'll show you one artwork जो मैंने छोटा सा एक बनाया है, which is using a spiral pattern of the figures. So
yeah,
like
that is very popular, the spiral pattern.
हाँ, that is very popular. वो मतलब that is a universal sign of the Warli. जैसे ही आप वो देखेंगे ना, like a group of tribals, they are dancing in a circle. That's what they're trying to show. Now to do the R, I'll show this little enlarged because यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा confusion वाला है. So what I'm going to do is make a drum out of this. तो again इसको आप जैसे चाहें fill कर सकते हैं, पर थोड़ा सा filled up अच्छा लगता है. अब ये बनाने के बाद you can decide कि मुझे हाथ कहाँ रखना है इसका. And because हमको R का जो नीचे वाला हिस्सा है वो भी करना है, we will just do some tassels like this. तो ये थोड़ा सा हम cheat कर रहे हैं इसको अपनी तरह से tweak करके. We are doing this so that we get this alphabet correct. तो ये हमारा R बन गया. I'll just show you the drum because वो थोड़ा सा complicated है.
या ड्रम का जरा क्लोजअप दिखाएंगे तो पता चलेगा.
मैं फिर से यहाँ थोड़ा बड़ा बना दूं.
हाँ हाँ जी.
तो ये हमने ड्रम बनाया है, which is the top portion of my R. Like this. So जैसे कटोरी है, पर हमने इसको थोड़ा टेढ़ा कर दिया है, like this. और उसके बाद I've given it a border like this. Done some triangle patterns. These patterns always look very gorgeous. आप कोई भी design बनाओ ना, the moment you put a triangle border like this. Sorry.
Bindal, your video has stopped.
हाँ, I don't know क्या हो रहा है इसको. Is it better?
No, no, your video has stopped. It's become stationary.
Okay. Is this better?
No, it's not moving.
Yeah, now it's
yes.
Okay. So this is my katori, which is on its side, इस तरह से. और इस पे मैंने ये triangles बना दिए हैं as a border. Now, just to make it look more like a drum, I'm just going to join those triangles to the base like this. तो ये मेरा जैसे नगाड़ा बन गया. And then the tassels, like I said, वो यहाँ से लेके just make 2 tassels to suggest the R.
Yeah, just focus it on the camera. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is basically what my drum looks like.
And you can just
remember, it's your katori जो side पे खड़ी हो गई. फिर उस पे हमने triangle border बना दिया. Then we added these lines and then just the tassels to make the R. So that's basically the R. And it looks like the figure is actually holding the drum and trying to play it.
Can you show it a little closer कि hands का position पता चले?
हाँ जी. इसमें hands थोड़े से inconsequential हो जाते हैं because you know हम letter पे ज़्यादा focus कर रहे हैं अभी.
Okay.
More than the action. Yeah.
Okay.
So next, another very popular pattern, which and you might see that everywhere on the net, is the leaves, the plants, the trees.
Yeah.
So tree बनाने के लिए, we will just make a trunk of a tall palm tree like this. इस तरह से.
Bindal, please check your video. It's not clear. Yeah.
I think
थोड़ा focus में आने की जरूरत है, थोड़ा clearer, yeah.
No,
so
it's
इस
not
तरह
clear.
से like a needle की तरह हमने नीचे से थोड़ा चौड़ा और ऊपर की तरफ में थोड़ा सा पतला कर दिया इसको. You can color it in. या अगर आपको चाहिए तो उस पे भी आप थोड़ा टेक्सचर दिखा सकते हैं. Just 1 second, हम एक और इंटरनेट ट्राई कर रहे हैं. Is this better now?
No, it's hazy only.
No, it's clear now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you're done with this, हम सिर्फ 2 leaves यहाँ पे बनाएंगे इस तरह से. तो ये आपका T बन गया. And for that, we are just going to do these. इस तरह से. So just 2 palm leaves, not more. And then just maybe draw some coconuts like this. So it's very, very basic. इसको हमने बहुत मतलब elaborate नहीं बनाया है. Because again, like I said, अगर हम normally tree बनाते तो शायद हम 2 या 3 और leaves यहाँ पे add कर देते ऊपर में. But because we want to stick to the character of the shape.
Yeah.
So we are not going to do too much over there. We just leave it like this. Then we go back to our H. Now, like I said, हमने यहाँ पे काफी figures use किए हैं इसमें. तो let's not, हमने पहले एक H बनाया जिसमें 2 figures हैं, पर यहाँ पे we can stick to a very basic H just with some geometric borders. अब यहाँ पे I can do a wavy line inside my H.
Rectangle बना के.
हाँ, आप एक basic यहाँ पे I can show you all. So just make a basic rectangle like this. और इसमें आप इस तरह से wavy line बना दीजिए.
Zigzag. ये अब की बार zigzag line बनाए instead of the crosses, right?
Yes, instead of the crosses, you can do this. और बहुत सारे patterns हैं. आप अपने खुद के patterns भी develop कर सकते हो. तो इसमें मैंने छोटे dots भी डाल दिए हैं इस तरह से, like this. There's no limit. मतलब your imagination will be the limit in this. So जैसे हमने यहाँ बनाया है, we'll make a same thing over here. So if you all want to see it again, it's just a rectangle. और यहाँ पे हमने इस तरह से एक wavy line बना दिया. आप zigzag भी बना सकते हैं. And then we just add these dots. और ये जो H है इसमें हम इसका जो बीच वाला डंडी, we can make it a little different.
It's not clear what you have shown. You can just.
Image is
Yeah.
And just fill it with the vertical lines.
Yes,
The
you can fill it with vertical lines. You can just make it a dark black also. आपको पूरा भरना है. You know, whatever options. Like यहाँ पर भी, if I still want to emphasize the letter more, remember कि इसको जो हमारा letter है, उसकी identity जितनी ज़्यादा निकल के आएगी, उतना आपका lettering ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखेगा. तो जहाँ पे if you want कि चलो मुझे age को थोड़ा और emphasize करना है, I can darken one side just to make sure कि वो दूर से भी age ही दिखे. You know, it should not look confusing to the viewer, right? Shana, we'll come back and do another.
We come to D now.
हाँ जी, that's also a very interesting figure. और यहाँ पे जो मैं बोल रही थी, how we are manipulating the figure. I'm going to take a woman. तो एक circle बना दिया मैंने. Over here, somewhere close to the connection of the straight line and the curved line के top में. Then I will give her a curved neck little bit और उसका जो body है वो भी मुझे इस तरह से झुकता हुआ दिखाना है. Remember my D is a little curved, so I cannot make it a straight figure. So if you can see, I've already made this figure bending over इस तरह से.
Yeah, okay. तो ये D का पीछे का लाइन है कि स्ट्रेट लाइन वाला?
ये D का curved line है.
Curved line है ये.
And then even her feet, this lady's feet, I'm going to direct them in a way that they look like this. और बाद में इसके बाद we are just going to add a आशा जी correct me if I'm wrong, पर इसको ओखली बोलते हैं.
Sorry?
जो जिसमें मसाले पीसते हैं.
Yeah, ओखली.
ओखली.
मूसल.
Yes.
तो we are going to make, because हमारा traditional village वाला character है, तो उसको हम ये मसाला पीसते हुए दिखाना चाहते हैं. तो इस तरह से हम एक figure के साथ एक ऑब्जेक्ट ऐड कर रहे हैं.
मूसल ऐड करेंगे.
हाँ जी. सो इट्स सिंपल. एक इस तरह से बनेगा ये. आपने एक
हाँ, आप बड़ा में ये करके बताइए जरा थोड़ा.
हाँ जी. तो ये हमने एक अपसाइड डाउन वाला बना दिया है इस तरह से, और उसके ऊपर इस तरह एक और शेप बना दिया. फिर इसको हम चाहे वो बॉर्डर दे सकते हैं. And then there is just one stick going up like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
इसको अगर आप चाहें तो एक हिस्सा आप इसको डार्क भी कलर कर सकते हैं इस तरह से. उसका थोड़ा सा बॉर्डर छोड़ देंगे तो it will look nice. So we can do this kind of a variation also. अगर हमें ये नहीं दिखाना होता तो हम इसको एक झाड़ू भी बना सकते थे. In that case, you can just remove this हिस्सा, the top part of the okhli, and it will look like a broom, as if the woman is sweeping something.
या तो अब हैंड्स पोजीशन इसमें कैसे रखेंगे?
हाँ, मैं दिखा रही हूँ. तो इसमें जो हैंड का पोजीशन है वो इसको होल्ड करते हुए आएगा इस तरह से. इसमें हम हैंड को ज्यादा एम्फेसिस नहीं देंगे बिकॉज हमारा डी का पैटर्न ब्रेक नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इसको हम जितना मिनिमल रख सकते हैं और जिसको हम एम्फेसाइज करना चाहते हैं उसको थोड़ा सा हम डार्क कर देते हैं इस तरह से. तो अब अगर थोड़ा दूर से भी देखेंगे तो ये डी की तरह दिखेगा आपको.
Yes.
Now we'll come back to the A, and like I said, अगर हमको कोई object नहीं दिखाना है, we just want to do a pattern. There is another border we can do, or we can just do.
आपके कैमरा को फोकस में लाइए ना बिंदल प्लीज.
Sorry, पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे.
Yeah.
So यहाँ पे मैंने सिर्फ A का जो line है वो खींच के I've just added these lines like this. They're just vertical lines crossing my horizontal lines crossing my vertical line. और इसको हम we'll finish it up with dots. So it looks like a little plant which is growing. I'll show that in an enlarged version.
Yeah, please. Dots अभी समझ में नहीं आए हैं.
हाँ जी. I'll just show you. तो जहाँ पे अपनी horizontal lines cut कर रही है ना, उनको हम dot से finish कर देंगे. So just add the dots so that it looks complete. I'll just show you that. So this is my letter A.
And C.
ये जो मेरा this was my letter A. This is my vertical line. उसको मैंने इस तरह से horizontal line से break कर दिया है इस तरह से. This is a very simple way of doing this. इस तरह से करने के बाद हम इसके ends को इस तरह से dots बना रहे हैं.
Okay.
I think मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट भी ये चीज बहुत यूज करते हैं.
हाँ जी. हमारा एक्चुअली ये काफी कॉमन है फॉर मोस्ट इंडियन फोक आर्ट में. आप गोंद ले लीजिए या मधुबनी में काफी सारे ऐसे पैटर्न्स हैं जो बहुत कॉमन है. So इस तरह से we can make this.
Yeah.
So this is now I've shown you. इसको आप border की तरह भी use कर सकते हो. You can use it whichever way you want.
Yeah, right.
So here I'm just going to finish that with more of the same thing.
So other side the same banana है?
Yeah, you can make it the same. That way ना the letter looks more uniform. अगर हम बहुत अलग-अलग elements ले लेते हैं तो again वही confusion हो गया. So here you can see now the A is done up to this point. और उसके बीच में we can just take a little curved line like this.
Sorry, curved line जरा पास से दिखाएंगे.
हाँ जी.
Okay.
Like opposites.
Again, it's just a style. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. आप straight line भी ले सकते हो.
तो ये curved line को कुछ enhancement कर रहा है कि just simple curved line लेनी है?
नहीं, simple curved line देख के मैंने छोटे से triangles ही बना दिए इसके अंदर. I'll show you कैसे. जैसे in this, I've just added the curved lines like this.
Okay.
Again, this will depend on आप कितने बड़े letters बना रहे हो. अगर आपके पास बहुत बड़ा letter है, तो शायद आप और भी decorate कर सकते हो इसको. If it's not too big, then I would suggest कि इसको simple ही रखें.
Yeah.
So here we had made a woman holding a basket for the Y. Now we are going to do a little different work here. And we are going to change it to a man. And now he's going to be facing the other direction. And the reason we do it differently is so that it looks like a proper artwork. ऐसा ना लगे कि हमने सिर्फ copy करके वही का वही चीज बना दिया है. So it's a basic figure again, just the man. But as you can see, इसको हमने थोड़ा सा twist करके पीछे की तरफ मोड़ दिया है. मतलब he's bending little bit backwards. Yeah.
You need to take these triangles. Yeah.
And then we'll just do the hands and we can show him holding a stick like this. आप stick दिखा सकते हो. You can show a flag like this. That's also fine. As if he is holding a flag.
And again, hands are not so very important in this.
No, hands, we don't want to give it too much importance because that will, अगर उसको बहुत मोटा या बहुत emphasis देंगे तो अपना letter खराब हो जाएगा.
Okay.
Yeah. So here you can see our happy birthday is finished.
Yeah, beautiful it is.
Thank you. So if you want, we can add a little bit of another element here, which could be a balloon like this. ये ज़रूरी नहीं है. I'm just saying balloon कर सकते हो आप इसमें flower बना सकते हो depending on आप किसको दे रहे हो card.
We can add a border around. No border तो अभी हम करेंगे.
हाँ border हम कर रहे हैं. So this completes the work as far as the happy birthday is concerned. So now we'll come to the border. Sorry.
Please show the balloon, no? Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want me to share this picture with you? So, अगर आपको group पे डालना है, आशा जी?
हाँ, please share कीजिए. And some people are thinking there are no flowers in this, only figures. So Warli art is essentially no flowers.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. But their flowers are also very minimal. उनके flowers आपको बहुत ज़्यादा flowers के जैसे नहीं दिखेंगे. Just give me 1 minute. I've sent it to you, Asha ji.
Okay.
Can you show the balloon? Just.
Yeah. So I'll do a few flowers in the border itself. And we can start with the border, or you can change it at one point, wherever you. Can I move on?
Yes, please, to the borders.
Okay. So borders के लिए जो हमने ये lines बनाए हैं ऊपर.
Some people want to see Y again. तो एक बार Y आप repeat कर देंगे, please.
हाँ जी. So the Y with the man is like this. उसको हमने थोड़ा सा lean करवाया है पीछे की तरफ ऐसे. So that we make our basic shape of the Y first. Like this. और उसके हाथ ऐसे बना के we have just given him a stick to hold. So stick पे आप कुछ भी लगा सकते हो. आप balloon लगा सकते हो. आपको flag लगाना है. So this is your Y.
थोड़ा और उसका close up करके बता देंगे. हाँ. I hope everyone has seen Y. Okay, Bindal, now to the borders now.
Sure. So the border is basically जैसे हमने ये outlines बनाए हैं पहले between our artwork. This one. ये जो हमने बनाया है, this is where we are going to construct our borders. So for the border, we'll go with our zigzag pattern like this.
We'll use the same pen, 0.8.
Yes, 8 वाला आप use कर सकते हो. Now the 0.5 has been given so that आपको कोई बहुत fine details बनानी है. you know, at a later point आपको इसको और enhance करना है, इसको और कुछ भी you know, if you feel कि मुझे इसमें I want to really go and do something different in this, so you can do this. अब इसके नीचे में we will add just these incomplete triangles like this. So we made like a mountain range on top. और उसके अंदर में we are doing this. Right? तो ये जो आपका 1 centimeter वाला border है, there we are going to make this kind of a mountain range. Now you can see that इसमें भी it looks so beautiful. It looks like ये पूरा यहाँ पे एक village scene हो रहा है और पीछे mountains हैं.
Yes.
So just to fill this border up a little more, we are going to make these small triangles and fill them with some with our black. This is a nice thing to do because कहीं पे अगर हम थोड़ा सा black का element देते हैं ना, तो it really enhances our design. Instead of making it only linear, सिर्फ line work के बजाय थोड़ा सा कहीं पे dark, कहीं पे line work. So like this.
Yeah.
When you're done with that, we will make a line and then add a dot to the top, but we won't take it all the way to the top. तो यहाँ तक आपका line आ जाएगा 3/4 of the way, और फिर आप एक circle बना के उसको भी black fill कर सकते हो. This is one way to do the border. अगर आपका border thick है और pen से नहीं हो रहा है, you can take a black marker, जैसे felt pen है. You can do it later also. अगर आपको अभी सिर्फ ये you can do this in your practice sheet also.
Yeah, we can just make 2-3 pieces for and then continue later. Full border हम बाद में बना लें, थोड़ा सा
बना सकते हैं. So here I want to show, अब ये ऊपर का मेरा border complete हो गया है. And यहाँ पे I just want to show a simple flower. So I just make a circle like this. I can do जैसे बहुत basic, जैसे हम second standard में बनाते थे, वैसा flower बना के इस तरह से. But to give it a more geometric and tribal look, we can just go and circle around it like this. और फिर उसके बाहर हम इसको इस तरह से color कर देते हैं. We just fill that up with a little bit of a black. And you can just add a few lines in the flower like this. I'll show this flower again one more time. Again, इसमें भी बहुत variations हो सकते हैं. So we make a circle. We make a circle like this, or we make a basic flower like this. फिर उसको हमने एक circle बना के बंद कर दिया. We added some lines inside. And then we just did a little bit of coloring to finish our square.
So it is a tile kind of thing कि एक tile बन गया है.
Yes. So this can be your basic. See, these are now fillers. ये जो भी border है, border के आसपास जो भी हम कर रहे हैं उसके you know नजदीक में, they can be. I'll show one more border and then you can repeat the same border at the bottom, but you have to invert it. तो जैसे यहाँ पे हमने mountains बनाए थे, वैसे ही zigzag करना है, but we will fill it up in reverse.
Okay.
So इस तरह से you can, all those who want to just see the border one more time, just keep doing these zigzag lines till you come to this point where a square will come. यहाँ आके रुक जाना है, ये अपना square है. we don't touch that. फिर हमने यहाँ पे जो नीचे बनाया था एक और triangle, वो हम अब ऊपर में बनाएंगे ताकि we are making the exact mirror image of the border on top. इस तरह से, and you can do the same triangle fill here and this lollipop kind of shape over here. And I'll just move on and show you the next border here. For this, we can use one line exactly in the middle of this. You can make it freehand also, you don't need a ruler.
In the middle of the square?
No, in the middle, connecting the two squares like this.
Two squares, okay.
But बिल्कुल इसके बीच
Center.
Or center of your 1 centimeter border.
Yeah.
के बीच में. And then we are just going to draw this about 1 centimeter apart. इस तरह से, just V shapes.
तेरे उल्टे आ रहे हैं, please, because you're holding this one. But ठीक है, now do this way only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अभी भी ठीक है. So when you're done with this, to give it a little bit more floral and softer look, we're just going to create this into a leaf. तो दोनों तरफ में curved shapes डाल के
Leaves बनवाएंगे.
this becomes a leaf.
थोड़ा curvy shaped.
हाँ जी. So our shape of the leaf is like this. It's just a अपना ये V shape था इस तरह से, और हमने इधर एक curve दिया है, इधर एक curve दिया है. तो दोनों तरफ curve आने से ये अपने आप दो leaves बन गए.
Yeah.
So the same way we finish this. Now, जिनके बड़े papers हैं या थोड़ा ज़्यादा जगह है जिनके पास, they can add a small flower in the middle if they like. और जिन्होंने A4 को half कर दिया है, like me, they can also go and so I want to just finish it with a dot in the center. तो ये मेरा इसके साथ match भी हो रहा है, जो मेरे lollipops थे यहाँ पे, उसके साथ भी I'm matching it.
Between two leaves there is a dot, right?
On the stalk.
On the stalk. Okay.
On the stalk. Yeah, I'll just show it once.
Yeah, can you please put your paper more into the camera? ये बहुत कम दिख रहा है. Yeah. Yeah, now it is very clear.
तो इस तरह से we finish this, and now again we can repeat it because बहुत अलग-अलग करना भी थोड़ा सा डिजाइन को distract कर देता है. तो we'll go and do the same thing that we did in the corners. We'll do the same flower, repeat कर देंगे.
अच्छा, we are repeating the same flower?
Yeah, because we don't want to become, already हमने दो borders डाले हुए हैं. Every letter is looking different. So, you know, it looks too distracting if you keep adding new elements. कहीं पे repetition भी जरूरी है.
Yeah, right.
So, this way. So, I've got the same flower pattern in all the corners.
All four corners, same flower.
Same flower.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I'll share the picture of the full card also with you, Asha ji, and I'll take close-ups of some of these elements so that, you know, the members can actually look at everything separately also.
Yeah, that would be really good.
Sure, sure. So, and if you notice, तो मैंने इसको कोई outline नहीं दिया है. The top and the bottom or the side borders, I don't want to give it an outline and make it very heavy. Because मेरा जो card है, मेरा happy birthday सबसे ज़्यादा prominent दिखना चाहिए. So I've also shared an Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. No, Shri Ganeshaya Namaha with Asha ji, and I hope that you all enjoy.
Yeah, we will be sharing other.
With the mem.
Right, right. So again, that is in the Devanagari script, and you know, so what I want to suggest is that iske bahut uses are so many. So this is how we finish the 4 corners.
Yeah, can you just put the full card in the middle so that
I have not finished this border here.
Yeah, one border is still remaining.
It's
Yeah.
still-
Okay.
Yeah, but this is basically jo. Do you want me to finish it right now while people are still doing it?
Yeah, people will finish the lower border and upper border. You can finish it so that the complete look they can get the complete.
Bindal, somebody wants to see your T, the top part of the T, like look
Right.
close up of the T.
Sure. I'll just show it in one minute. So for the T, what we did was we made T, right?
You're right.
Yeah. So the T is just a trunk like this, the tree trunk. अगर आपका बड़ा drawing है, तो आप इस तरह से उसमें और detail दिखा सकते हो by just doing these stripes.
Yes.
Like this.
Yes.
And then you just draw the 2 leaves on top.
Okay.
And just show this palm leaf जैसे दिखाते हैं इस तरह से.
I hope tea is clear to everyone. It's like a coconut tree.
Yeah, you can even do something a little bit on the top to show the other side of the leaf, but it's not needed. Even otherwise, it looks like a coconut tree.
Thank you.
So that tile के लिए मैं फिर से एक बारी दिखा देती हूँ. This is the square. You can do it whichever way you like. आपको पहले उसमें circle बनाना है. Then just finish the flower and fill this up.
Members, please take screenshots of whatever you feel you need to do it.
I'll share all these pictures with you. So.
Yes, वैसे हम सारे पिक्चर शेयर करेंगे, but फिर भी आप लेना चाहें तो ले सकते हैं screenshots.
So I've just done a freehand line over here, and we'll continue with the same border like we did before. About 1 centimeter apart. You don't have to measure it or anything. Because varli थोड़ा सा अगर rustic नहीं दिखा ना, तो it doesn't look like varli. We want that it should look like that. So we are making the leaves now out of the V shapes. I hope everyone has enjoyed themselves.
Yes, of course.
Point of any art is that you have to, it has to serve you as therapy. If you're doing any artwork and if it stresses you out more, then it's not worth it. So the idea is that take a cup of chai, coffee, and sit with it and just relax and enjoy yourselves. So now my card is complete. You can see it. Now I will not add anything else to the border because I don't want to fill it up too much. I want to keep it, keep the message most visible. Thank you so much. Thank you. So somebody is asking for the balloon. So balloon ko hum thoda sa, actually एक अकेला balloon थोड़ा sad लग रहा है, तो हम उसको एक और balloon add कर देते हैं. So you just draw one wavy line like this. छोटा सा triangle and just add a ovalish shape on the top. इस तरह से. So this is my shape on top of the little triangle. And then like I said, इसको हम जैसे भी decorate करना चाहें, तो even if you want to put tiny hearts, you can do that. Although it's not typically the Varli thing to do. But since it's a modern message, wishing somebody happy birthday, we can do this. So छोटे-छोटे से hearts बना के, you can just add to the balloon. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Friends will be sharing the alphabet, the full alphabet, and you can make anything out of that.
Yeah. So you can make
any word.
Yeah. Also, another thing I wanted to show you was this letter S.
Okay, you have added Ruchika in between.
Yes, I've added Ruchika in between. और ये जो मैं बोल रही थी, these are just simple figures of women holding hands. So just that is what Ruchika is about.
जो spiral में जाता है, yeah.
जो spiral में जाता है. So it's a group of lovely women who are holding hands and supporting each other. So और फिर मैंने बीच में ये flag बनाया है जिसमें मैंने रुचिका लिखा है. फिर मैंने और elements यहाँ पे add किए हैं. कुछ plant है, कोई fish है, flowers हैं. तो अलग-अलग. So it's not.
Is it a close up of the full card?
Yeah. I will also
symbolic.
Hanji. I will share this with you in the as a photo also, so you can share with everyone. So this I did because I want to show कि आप एक बड़ा कोई भी letter लेके उसमें वार्ली की elements भी भर सकते हैं. It's not necessary कि आपको वार्ली से सिर्फ letters ही बनाने हैं. You can take any pattern and fill it with वार्ली.
Okay.
You can do initials. आपको किसी को monogram gift करना है तो आप इस तरह से बना के you can add. There are lots of different shapes you can explore.
Yes. Thank you, Bindal. It was a great session.
Thank you so much, Asha ji.
आभार मानना और प्रकट न करना उस गिफ्ट के समान है जो हमने रैप तो कर दी पर दी नहीं. So on behalf of Ruchika committee, a huge thank you to Bindal for sharing such a beautiful art.
Thank you.
Thank you, members, for attending and making this program a success. Zoom is now open for fellowship.
Sure.
Thank you so much, everyone. It's my pleasure.
Yeah, we will be unmuting everyone. You can talk amongst yourself, members now. Shashi, please unmute everyone.
Yes. Yes. Now you can talk to each other.
Nice session. Thank you.
Yeah, it
Very
was
nice
very
session.
good.
So much. It
Can
was a
we
lovely
meet Bindal,
workshop.
please?
Thank you so much.
enjoyable and very nice. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Can you share the number, Bindal's number?
Can you share the number?
Bindal's number, can you share?
Yeah, we will share.
Which-
Asha, you will be sharing all the alphabets of Hindi.
Yes, we will be sharing. We'll share all the alphabets. Shri Ganeshaya Namah.
Yes, we will be sharing all the alphabets and Shri Ganeshaya Namah, जो हमें हिंदी लिपि की भी ज्ञान हो जाए थोड़ा.
और हर नंबर also हर
And her phone number.
Yes, our phone number also we will also share that.
Please share your phone number. Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much.
Asha, please ask Bindal to give us all the alphabets in English, Hindi, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can make it into as we want.
Okay. Bindal, did you hear? We want the numbers also. Go ahead and do something. 1 to 10 numbers, please.
Please share your phone number, please.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful.
The card.
Thank you, Ruchika.
It turned out beautiful.
Yeah, it totally engrossed. Everybody was engrossed into it.
Bindal, so much.
Bindal, can we see you?
Can I ask a question, Bindal?
Can you show the fish, Bindal?
सबके नाम
Asha, look at my work.
Yeah, it's beautiful, Sarita ji. It's beautiful.
Asha, look my work.
Mine.
See how she's done it? I like Annu's smiling.
Look at my work.
Very nice.
Hello.
Very nice.
Sheila, show me your Sheila.
This fish is very beautiful.
My work.
To complete. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ruchika.
49.
Happy birthday. Thank you very much.
9th birthday.
It was a beautiful session. Happy birthday, Ruchika.
Next year. Thank you very much.
Girls, this is just the big thing.
Asha, take a photo. Happy birthday, Ruchika.
Yeah, and on 27th, we have again very nice making your own poster in your bedroom.
Happy birthday, Ruchika.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, it is happy birthday, Ruchika.
Ruchika, yeah. Take a photo.
First we are meeting tomorrow again.
Yeah.
We can keep it as a logo for our Ruchika group.
Hello?
जो इन्होंने बनाया है, take a photograph.
Yeah.
So we can keep it as a logo. For
Yeah, she will be sending me the photo. वो भेजेंगे तो proper होगा तब मैं हम बना सकते हैं.
I know. तभी बना सकते हैं.
Yeah.
So,
sorry, sorry.
This is our club's name.
Actually,
member of this
Can I just say something? Can we have everybody showing the pictures so we can click a pic? Members, can we have everybody showing pictures what you all have written so we can click a pic? Asha, announce karo na.
Can't hear you. Too
And
much
everybody
noise.
just show your picture so we can click a pic together, please.
Yes.
Mute. Please, everybody mute
बहुत
your
ही सुंदर बनाया है.
This is by me, Shelja.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes. 2 minutes, just doing screenshots, please.
Can we see Bindal? Yes. Bindal, can we see you?
Yeah, just one. Someone spotlight me. Spotlight